What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's RillaZoom, and it's my first YouTube video opening Pokemon cards. And today we're gonna be jumping in to Sword and Shield and these Ultra Prism. All right, so first off, we're gonna go ahead and open up these Sword and Shields because these Ultra Prisms, all the cards pulled out of these Ultra Prisms will be going to a lucky viewer. Leave a comment below your favorite card in the set. And in about a week, I'll announce the winner of that. And you're gonna get every card that I pull, no matter what it is, out of that set. That's what you're gonna get. Fire Energy, Raboot, Lumberry, Roar Energy, Skorupi, Clavipus, Wooloo, Sobble, Pink Urchin, Krogunk, and a regular rare Raichu. On that one, see what we got in this Snorlax pack art. And get it open. Use the teeth on that one. Good card. Alright, so in this set, of course, we're trying to get the gold Zamazenta, Zacian, Ferocity, Golding, Rosalia, Joltik, Silicobra, Golding, and a hollow rare Bolton. Set it back here. One more of these Sword and Shield. Lapras pack art. Code card for you. Zoom Energy, Fish Art, Pokemon Catcher, Haunter, Yamper, Skorupi, Clavipus, Wooloo, Sobble, Turtonator, and a regular rare Sandaconda. Alright, so now we're going to break into these Ultra Prisms, the new reprint. Each box has 3 boosters. Alright, so what we're going after in here are the 2 gold Lunala and Solgaleo. And like I said, every single one of these cards is going to a viewer. And I'll keep the code cards for the viewer. All you gotta do, comment below, Zoom Energy, Yanmega, Pergly, Skuntank, Salandit. Just comment below your favorite card out of the set. And Manaphy and a Heatran. Get out of this one. Try and keep the code card hidden for you guys that are receiving the cards. Alright, got Fire Energy, Unit Energy, Cosmo, Looker, Cosmog, Execute, Lickitung, Weasel, Eevee, Jupiter, and a Tapu Lele regular rare. Getting this Leafeon pack art. Try and get these gold cards. Keep forgetting to try and hide that for y'all. Leaf Energy, Look or Whistle, Primplup, Pokemon Fan Club, Glameow, Snover, Hippopotamus, Shinx, Little Spider, Cynthia, and Little Spider's mom. Let's try this one. Needs teeth on that one again. I think I might as well summon this one. Alright, Psychic. Unified Fossil, Sharon, Gumshoes, Drifloon, Lowland Sandshrew, Hippopotamus, Riolu, Lowland Diglett, Magearna, and a regular rare Shiinotic. Really trying for you guys, trying to pull y'all something good. First video, if you don't mind, hit that like button, subscribe. Sorry. Well, this is white green. See, got Fire Energy, Honchkrow, Mount Coronet, Rotom, Eevee, Magmar, Morlul, Primplup, Salandit, Yanma, and there you go. A Mars Full Art Trainer. I'll sleeve that one up for you. There you go. Unlucky winner will be getting that along with these other cards. It looks Snorlax, hold on to it. Alright, one last pack. See if we can't get something out of the last pack. Some last pack magic. Leaf Energy, Palpad, Luxio, Shieldon, Chimchar, Sneasel, Lickitung, Carnivine, Glameow, Drifloon, and regular rare Magearna. So, like I said, along with this card, whoever wins the little giveaway in the comments, comment below your favorite card out of the set of Ultra Prism, and winner gets all the cards from the Ultra Prism packs I pulled in this video. Alright guys, didn't get the gold cards, but if you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe. Winner gets all those cards up there on the mat in front of me, plus the full art Mars card. Y'all have a good one. Rilla Zoom out.